How to download Prison Life Idle game. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can download Prison Life Idle game on your device. So go ahead and launch the Play Store app on your device. If you are on iOS device, you want to open App Store. Now tap on the search bar. Here you want to search for Prison Life. Now, out of the search results, this is the application you should be looking for. If you want to know more about Prison Life, you want to tap on About this game option. As you can see, here is all the information you need to know about this game. If you scroll down, you also have the game info and the compatibility for your active devices. Now, if you want to download this application, go ahead and tap on the install option. As soon as you do that, the downloading will begin. Now, you will have to wait for some time until the download is completed. Once it is completed, it will be automatically installed on your device. All you have to do is tap on the play button and start using the Prison Life Idle game app. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.